Yeah, man! Welcome to the Frickcast and to the Dr. Squatch product guides. Today, we're getting face to face with the face wash. This is a highly requested product, one Squatchers, myself included, have been waiting a long time to get their paws on. Well now, Squatch has gotten what may be the final stone to complete their skincare infinity gauntlet. These natural boys look to add to the already impressive Squatch menu. But just how nifty are they? Well, in this video, we'll break down the ingredients, cover the available scents, and of course, rank each flavor as well. Before all that though, let's start with the basics. The Dr. Squatch Face Wash is for all skin types and comes in a 4-ounce bottle. And unless you're buying a bundle, you're looking at $14 a pop. So as most things Squatch, they aren't the cheapest. Now as for the flavors, we have 3 currently. The Fresh Falls, Pine Tar, and Cool Fresh Aloe, same as the lotions. 3 fan favorites and 3 Squatch staples. It's not surprising these are the ones we got first. Each of these has a unique scent, as well as unique ingredients in addition to the base ingredients. Speaking of the base ingredients, these boys are filled with refreshing, exfoliating, and cooling properties. Most of the ingredients here are for things like texture, moisture, and forming the consistency of the wash. These will just slam through quickly. Water is of course water. This long-ass ingredient I can't be bothered to try and pronounce is mainly used for its cleansing properties. It is derived from things like corn or coconut, and is often used as a more mild alternative to harmful sulfates as it is much less irritating for the skin. Glycerin helps maintain moisture. Sodium cocoyl glutamate, which is from coconut oil, is another cleanser that is gentle on the skin and leaves it soft. Cetyl alcohol is a fatty alcohol that actually helps moisturize skin, as well as add to the consistency of the face wash. Rice powder has a lot of benefits. It absorbs excess oil, smooths and softens skin, moisturizes, improves the appearance and feel of skin, gently exfoliates, as well as protects from UV rays. Sterile stearate softens skin and also improves texture. Cocoyl menthol glucamide conditions skin and moisturizes, and it also helps the wash to foam better. Xanthan gum is a natural ingredient often used in skincare products for the texture it adds as a thickening agent and stabilizer. Microcrystalline cellulose also adds to the texture, but this is also going to add some exfoliation, allowing the wash to cleanse and clean more thoroughly. Cetyl palmitate again provides some consistency to the texture, but also helps condition and smooth skin. Sodium citrate is citric acid salt, and it's mainly used to help control the pH level. Sodium chloride, or salt, helps to cleanse and exfoliate. It also helps thicken up the product. Gluconolactone is a hydrating ingredient that clears away excess oil and improves the appearance of skin. Acacia Senegal gum is another boy that is mainly used for the texture, as it's another thickening agent that also makes the wash more creamy and smooth. Citric acid clears away excess oil and dead skin, cleanses pores, exfoliates, hydrates, tones, as well as brightens and softens skin. Fragrance is vague. This can include essential oils or some compounds that give the face wash its unique scent. We really don't know what all is in the formula here. Sodium gluconate conditions skin and helps it to retain moisture. It's hydrating and smooths skin. Sodium benzoate is used as a preservative, but it is also antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory, helping to soothe irritated skin and fight against things like acne. Cetyl glucoside helps retain moisture and leave skin soft. Cellulose gum is once again used to improve texture, but it is also going to add some hydration. Sorbic acid is antimicrobial, so it eliminates bacteria. It's also used as a preservative. Calcium gluconate soothes and smooths skin. Glucose helps moisturize and fight signs of aging. Candidella wax reduces signs of aging, hydrates, and improves the texture of the wash. We're finally on to some of the more noteworthy ingredients. Green coffee bean is full of antioxidants and fights against signs of aging. It also improves elasticity and boosts collagen production, so it makes skin look and feel more youthful and smooth. It is also going to provide some of the exfoliation or grit, allowing the wash to clean deeper. Jojoba esters is a deeply moisturizing and hydrating ingredient. It softens skin and strengthens its natural barrier. Aloe vera juice is one of the niftiest here. It is a deeply moisturizing ingredient that is also soothing and anti-inflammatory, with some cooling properties. It brightens skin and removes blemishes. It's great for dry or irritated skin. And the last of the base ingredients is papaya fruit extract. This boy is exfoliating and cleansing. It's anti-inflammatory and soothing. It brightens and smooths skin. It also has anti-aging benefits and is moisturizing. So these boys look to be quite nifty, leaving skin moisturized, cleansed, and soft. But we aren't done with the ingredients just yet, as each face wash has an extra ingredient or two to add some more niftiness. We'll start with the Cool Fresh Aloe. While it does contain aloe vera, so do the other face washes. What is somewhat unique though is menthol lactate. Now menthol lactate is also in the Fresh Falls, but not the pine tar. So menthol lactate is going to give that cooling effect, like a more mild menthol. There's a nice chilling sensation that can be felt as you apply it, and even after you rinse off, making you feel more fresh and awake. That is the only unique ingredient for the Aloe Boy. So it actually doesn't have anything solely unique to it, unfortunately. The Fresh Falls, though, has 2 more additional ingredients to go along with methyl lactate. Maltodextrin has anti-aging, skin smoothing, and moisturizing qualities. There is also hydrolyzed Gardenia Florida extract. This boy is a nourishing, deeply moisturizing one with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It improves the look and feel of skin. As for the pine tar, we have charcoal powder. In addition to providing the trademark black pigment to the wash, this ingredient also has exfoliating and cleansing properties, helping to clean and shrink pores. It's great for removing impurities and excess oil, as well as detoxing the skin, leaving it smooth and soothed. So overall, all 3 of these are going to feel a little bit different, but more than anything, they are going to smell different. Now as for the scents, these are mainly going to smell like what you've come to expect from these flavors. Pine tar is that classic, rugged, woodsy scent. It's mainly a pine smell that's manly and clean. Fresh Falls is Squatch's take on a more generic, sporty body wash scent, but of course, actually being good. It's the strongest scent of the 3 and is a very fresh, clean waterfall smell. Cool Fresh Aloe is the most subtle scent here. It's a sweet, earthy smell, reminiscent of a rainy spring morning. It's the least manly scent here, so you may or may not prefer that. None of these are overly potent. Once you rinse them off, the scent is pretty much gone, so they aren't like the lotion or deodorant where the scent sticks with you for a while. These are more like the soaps, where you really only notice them while you're using it, or maybe briefly after. And I think that's probably best in this case. As for my personal thoughts on these, I actually like these quite a bit, even more so than I thought I would. Like the lotion, I've been waiting for Squatch to drop these for a while, but unlike the lotion, I actually find myself using these every day. It's hard to find a face wash that cleanses deep, softens skin, and doesn't dry your skin out. And in that regard, the Squatch face washes work excellently. They absorb any oil, clean thoroughly, and do leave your skin noticeably softer, smoother, and brighter. Each wash does have a little bit of grit to it that helps exfoliate and clear away dead skin, and the cooling properties are real here as well. After using them, your face feels cool like you'd expect from menthol or methyl lactate, so you end up not only feeling clean, but fresh and more awake. I think these work best for oily skin, as they are very absorbent and cleansing. While they don't dry your skin out, they aren't the most moisturizing out there, so depending on your skin type, you may want to use some kind of moisturizer as well. Now many of you might already be using these soap bars as face wash, which Squatch did say they could be used for that. The bricks I thought worked fine as a face wash. I personally didn't use them that way often, as they left my skin feeling somewhat dry. I think these new boys work much more effectively. They leave your skin looking and feeling better. A little bit goes a long way while using these. They don't foam up, but the lather easily spreads, so you really don't need to use a whole lot with each wash. I have yet to see how long I can get out of a bottle, but it seems they last a lot longer than I had thought they would. So how would I rank these? Well, we'll start with my least favorite, the pine tar. I've never been the biggest fan of the pine tar flavor. I certainly don't dislike it, but I do prefer the others. The main reason it's last today has nothing to do with the scent. It's because it's the only one of the three that doesn't have menthol lactate. So while the charcoal powder is a nice touch, you're just not getting as much of that cooling sensation after using the pine tar like you would the others. And I actually tested this by using all three at the same time. To me, it just doesn't hit the same without that extra chillness. My second choice is the Cool Fresh Aloe. I always like the Aloe Boy in any form, and I like it as a face wash. It does have menthol lactate, so you get the coolness, and you do have aloe, but that is of course in all three washes. So this one just kind of feels like the standard one. However, in face wash form, it's probably my least favorite scent, although I still like it quite a bit. Obviously though, that leaves the Fresh Falls as my number one. You can never go wrong with the Fresh Falls flavor, and it was an easy choice here. You get the menthol lactate, you get the best scent in my opinion, and you get a nice bonus ingredient in the Gardenia Florida extract. While it's not worlds better than the other two, it does improve on them significantly. It is my personal favorite. To close out, I think the face wash is a great addition to the Squatch menu and a shower near you. I've been waiting for these boys for a while, and I'm pleased with how they turned out. If you're in the market for a new face wash and don't mind paying a little extra, I think you'll like these. That's only my opinion though, and now I'd love to hear yours in the comments. Have you tried the Squatch Face Wash? If so, what did you think of it? Are you now looking to nab it? As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty.